Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make Crisco candles. Crisco candles are a very inexpensive way to fragrance your home. The first item on our material list is a 16-ounce jar of Crisco. A substitution for Crisco can be coconut oil. Our second item on our material list would be wooden candle wicks. A substitution for these can be the wax candle wicks or cotton ones. Our third item on our material list is going to be candle dye. You can use gelled food coloring, however I just didn't take a picture of it. Our fourth item on our material list is glue dots. Glue dots will help secure the candle wick to the bottom of your candle jar. Our fifth item will be 16-ounce candle jars. You can often find them at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, and Hobby Lobby. Our sixth item will be essential oils. This is what I use to scent my candles, as they can often be found on sale at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. Our seventh item will be a glass bowl. Our eighth item will be measuring spoons. Our ninth item will be measuring cups. Our 10th item will be a large funnel. You can also use a medium if you do not have a large. Our 11th item will be gloves. Our 12th item will be a quart-sized pan. Our 13th item and our final will be parchment paper. Now that we've gathered all of our materials together, we want to line our countertops with parchment paper. This will protect them from staining. Then we will need to go ahead and prepare the wick by sticking a glue dot to the bottom of it. Carefully take a lighter and heat the glue dot. Then you will stick it in the bottom of your candle jar. After the candle wick has cooled, this is what it will look like. It is safely secure into the candle jar so that you can pour the wax over it. After this, you will need to go ahead and measure out your 2.5 cups of your Crisco or your coconut oil. You will then melt it on low heat, so then you will assure that the Crisco or the coconut oil does not burn. After the Crisco is completely melted, you will then transfer it into a glass bowl. You can use the funnel to assist you so you don't burn yourself. Once the Crisco has completely cooled for about 5 to 10 minutes, you will measure out 1 to 2 tablespoons of essential oil and then 1 teaspoon of candle dye. You will need to stir the essential oil and the candle dye for 1 minute to ensure that it is completely mixed up into the Crisco. You will then need to carefully use the funnel to place it over the wick inside the jar and then pour your candle mix into the jar. Once it is completely placed, you can remove the funnel. Your candles will need to cure for 3 days to 2 weeks. 3 days is the absolute minimum to cure your candles before test lighting them. Once you're completely finished with your candles, they will look like this. The left side is when it was first done, and the right side is after they have cured for 3 days. Now that you've successfully watched this video, you will be able to make Crisco candles for your friends and your family. Everybody is really going to love them, especially that they are inexpensive and save you tons of money.